in the dark in standard tuning here. For the intro, we're going to play a standard C major chord and just add the pinky finger to the high E string at the 3rd fret. We'll start off by strumming the bass notes, followed by a full strum through, then up, down. So 1, 2, and 4. Then we'll go to an A minor 7 chord, just by taking the 3rd finger off the A string there and leaving it open. So we've got open G. And on the first beat of the next bar, we're actually going to hammer onto 2nd fret of G there. So then we'll strum up, down, up, down. When we go into the actual verse, we're going to play pretty much the same thing. We're just going to take the pinky finger off the high E string, move the 3rd finger up to the low E string at the 3rd fret, and pop that pinky finger back down on the 3rd fret of the A string. So we've got like a C for G in the bass this time. Same strumming, down, down, up, down, and then the hammer on. Same strumming, just a different chord voicing. We're then going to go to an F major 7 chord. 3rd fret on the A, 3rd fret on the D, 2nd fret on the G, 1st fret on the B, and a high E string open. For the strumming, we're going to strum down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Also going to kind of accent the bass notes on that first beat there. So 1, 2, and back into the C, going to A. C, A minor, back to the C, for the chorus we're going to go to a G. Now we're going to use the 3rd finger, 2nd finger and pinky finger here to voice the G, because we're going to have a little picking run in between the chords. So we've got G, bass, down, up, down, up, bass, down. Then this little run, hammer on from open to 1st fret on the B, grab the 3rd fret on the high E, 1st fret on the B, open G. Then back to the G strumming, down, 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 up, bass, down, down, up. Then to the F major 7 again as before. And back into the verse. So the whole chorus slowly is G for 4 bars and F for 4 bars. Sometimes Sam will add a few little riffs on the F as well. But most of the time he's just strumming it. So G. There's also another chord progression in the bridge, but just before we go into the bridge, there's 2 little bars that we play. C, A minor, jumping into a G just to take us into that bridge. So C, down, down, up, down, A minor, up, down, and then straight into the G, down, up, down. So C, A minor, G. So for the actual bridge part, we're going to keep the strumming the same. We're just going to change the order of the chords. So we start with that A minor, down, down, up, down, up, to the C of the G in the bass, down, down, up, down, up, straight to an F, and a G. That repeats. So A minor, C, F, G. A minor, C of the G, Fender tutorials, please check out this link here. Good luck with this one, happy practicing and take care.